Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Your mama kwa baba Sandy Home Recipe. Senedi de di kan wo hwe your video. Memma re mfi so be subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like, na wa throw comment. Afen so no amia notification bell no. So the video bia beto wa won side the ebeka. Ye pesuan se be chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream bia the pan. I feel so very easy to make. See, I know why then where you and then here near mammy and sape. What the 1 cup heavy cream or whipped cream begu boom. Now I don't do hand mess I then a bit. With TV now they have teaspoon vanilla. The egg now the 3 tablespoons condensed milk the account no akoso the ebiti put the 2 tablespoons take ese mienu cocoa powder the sugar the animal now the egg no akoso the ebiti. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the notification bell to get new video we will post. Enti where the where we no now they are kogu ice cream bowl. This ice cream is easy to make. Jesus is see now why the every. A two titini na gumu via now the rubber den akataso. Would rubber ne katasu we are now the nitini da kataso. Now they are kosher freezer for 5 hours. And after 5 hours in where you into 5 hours yes na you ready. It's yes serve it. Wow, so yummy, very soft. Make hammer and I think so ice cream we the pan chocolate ice cream we me say would the back petty say and one ice cream I then better say the beer then ubeti. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the notification bell to get new video we will post. It's here then where we know now the chocolate syrup here then add the creative so now the biscuit ice cream biscuit here then account. And then the kind will share your video. Remember we fi so be subscribe. Now I me notification bell and say the video bia beto one side the ebeka. Wow, so yummy. Now this our homemade chocolate ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.